Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Data Odyssey. Now, if you are a data engineer, you have probably noticed that AI is everywhere right now. But here's the problem. Most AI courses that I see or from where also I have studied probably are built for the data scientists and not us as data engineers. They tend to skip over the engineering mindset, the pipelines, the architectures, the stuff we as data engineers actually care about. And this is the playlist or the series or the course or whatever you say that changes that. Okay. So welcome to AI for Data Engineers, a course that actually bridges your data engineering expertise with the world of LLMs, AI agents, and generative AI applications. Here, we just don't talk about AI concepts, we translate them into your language. So, when I say agent workflows, you'll instantly see them as data pipelines, chunking text, they are just data modeling, embeddings. Of, think it from a perspective of dimensionality reduction, retrieval, and that's basically indexing and partitioning. And when we do vector search, you will likely uh, tend to understand it from a perspective of join optimizations and even prompt engineering. That becomes your query tuning and guardrails. Well, that's just data quality checks, right? So by the end of this course, you'll not understand only that how these AI models work, but you will also understand how to integrate them into your production ready data workflows with the same reliability, with the same scalability and performance that you actually deliver in your pipelines. You'll understand how to uh, build actually EDL pipelines for AI workflows, run RAGs, basically the retrieval, augmented generation pipelines, deploy AI agents that actually talk to your data, deploy AI agents that you actually can use in production environments, and make sure that they follow the governance, the security, the cost efficiency, the data quality checks, and whatnot. So, this AI course is actually without any fluff, just like you did want it. Real world, production ready, and data engineer friendly. So, if you are ready to level up from just moving data to building AI powered data platforms, welcome to the series. Welcome aboard. So, this is AI for data engineers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Stay connected and subscribe to my channel because this course is going to be exciting for all of us.